Some Sundays go exactly as planned and some don't. I woke up to beautiful weather after days of unbearable heat in Amritsar. I looked outside and thought, today is going to be a peaceful day. 2 minutes later, my maid called, Didi, I won't be coming today. And just like that, there went my peaceful Sunday. So I rolled up my sleeves and started cleaning the house. By the way, roll up your sleeves means get ready to work hard. Once the house was sparkling, I moved on to my next adventure, hanging the laundry out to dry. At this point, I wasn't even checking the time. I was just checking how many chores were still left. Then it was time to cook dinner. Luckily, I don't have to do everything alone. My husband had already prepared breakfast for us. And honestly, I think every working woman deserves a partner who shares the responsibilities at home. It makes life so much easier. I truly feel blessed to have someone who supports me through thick and thin, which means in both good and difficult times. But wait, the day wasn't over yet. It was my son's last holiday, which meant project time. And if you are an Indian parent, you know the golden rule. The project is assigned to the child, but the parents end up doing the heavy lifting. Do the heavy lifting, that means do the most difficult part of the work. By the time everything was done, I still had one last job, editing my videos. Before I knew it, the entire Sunday had disappeared. Some weekends recharge you, and some weekends remind you that being an adult is basically completing one task after another. But honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.